problem is that they're using a computer system where it is easy to cheat. It is easy to rig an election. We want an order to keep them from cheating in the future. The system that Pima County uses at every precinct where you go and vote, there's a Diebold optical scanner. Every ballot is fed through an optical scanner, and at the end of the day, the polls close, machines turn off, they say, okay, print out the results. And it'll say, in this precinct there were 342 votes. This candidate got this one, this candidate got this one. Those results, then the results from this memory card, that you can't look at paper ballots. Never, ever, ever, in terms of this election contest, can you count paper ballots. You can order later that we examine these paper ballots, but you can't count the paper ballots. And there's no audit. For county elections, for the Board of Supervisors, no audit. Whatever that says must be accepted. And that memory card can be programmed to print false results. And you program it with a machine that Pima County bought.
Just contain votes. There was a program or executable code.
Well, if someone would have told me that in this system there is a living thing, an executable, modifiable program stored in the same place as the very data which is the most secure in this system, I would say you have to be misunderstanding something, crazy or lying.
Hari wrote a report for black box voting, warning that this program, lurking in the memory card, could be used to change the result of an election.
What happened after that was that Diebold basically dismissed and stonewalled the report.
Diebold sent letters to officials across America denying that there was any executable code on the memory cards. Hari had discovered that Diebold's memory cards effectively allowed negative votes.
Well, then, go dead. What we're going to do here is modify one card and then bring it to the election supervisor Iyer Sanchez's office. Plug it as the real card in any election to the real election system and run ballots through, and that's the same system which have been used in a number of previous elections. And we'll see that what is the power in the ballot box. This should be just an empty box containing the votes, but it has more capabilities than that. So it's a very simple process. You just add the card in, you run the rewrite program, tell where to find the scanner, and tell exactly what file you want to be put in, and off it goes.
Hari's hack is a variation on stuffing the ballot box before anyone has voted. But this is always suspicious because you end up with more votes than voters. So Hari used 5 negative votes for one candidate and then gave the other one 5 positive votes. So as people cast their ballots, the total number of votes always equals the total number of voters. But was Hari right? Black box voting went back to Tallahassee.
We're going to present evidence, and it's already under oath. The one guy in Pima County says, yeah, I bought it, I used the machine to get it to print false results, I could get it to print false results. This time, we have substantial evidence. We have a confession from the operator. We've got down the line, and in the disclosure statement, we've alleged a lot of facts And that's before discovery on whether or not they really cheated. Because all of that evidence came in cases, public records cases, where they were in front of other judges saying, Judge, don't let them ask about cheating. Judge, protect what questions we can ask. Don't let them go into it on this case. This is just a public records case. So all the evidence we put on the table is before we've been able to specifically go in and look at the cheating that's occurred in the past. So I would urge you to deny this motion on behalf of the voters, the people of Pima County. This case needs to proceed. We need to have an election system that we can rely on, and the purity of elections in Pima County needs to be protected. Thank you.